Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today's focus is to show you how you can turn your Google Sites website into an online store. This means you can list your products, both digital or physical products, create a add to cart feature and a payment page so that customers can purchase from your Google Sites website. Today, I'll be using a Google Sites website example for a business called King Beats, which sells both digital and physical music-based products. As you can see, this is a stunning Google Sites website. If you're interested in learning how to build a website like this, a comprehensive full-feature service-based business website or e-commerce-based website, then I will add our full dedicated tutorial down below in the description. Now, what we're going to do is turn this website into an online store so that we can sell digital and physical products. To do that, I'm quickly going to customize this product page, similar to the process I showed you when customizing the homepage. Again, take your time to customize your product page. Okay, so just like that, I quickly created this product page. If we navigate up here, you can see I created a cover image with spaces. Then if we navigate down here, I added a spacer. Then this section here, over here, I added an image carousel. So every few seconds, the image will change. And if I click on settings, you can see those images here. Then I added text about the product, another spacer, and then this 3-image layout here, as well as a video which I embedded with YouTube. Okay, so this is my basic product page. Now what we want to do is actually link a product. At the moment, if someone clicks here, or let's say we add a button, navigate up to button, add buy now, and we need to add a link to the product. Again, for now, I'm just going to add a default link. Okay, let's move this button and place that here. And now we have a buy now button. I'm going to click on the button, click on filled and select outline, as well as style, center. Actually, let's go ahead and click on left aligned. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now, how can we add products? How can we actually create a checkout page that allows a website visitor to click here, add the product to their checkout and purchase that product? Well, we're going to use Stripe, which is a free payment gateway that allows you to create product links. Let me show you how this works. Simply jump over to stripe.com. And if you currently do not have a Stripe account, go ahead and sign up. You can also use a different payment gateway. However, I prefer to use Stripe. Stripe is global, it's universal, it's easy to use, and you only pay per sale, meaning you'll be charged a small fee when someone purchases a product from your store, which means you don't have to pay a subscription or anything like that. If we navigate up to pricing, you can see the standard plan, which most businesses will leverage. Per successful transaction, you only pay 2.9% plus 30 cents. Stripe is ideal for both selling digital and physical products, depending on the nature of your business. Take your time to sign up if you do not have a Stripe account. Then once you have set up your Stripe account or signed in if you already have one, I suggest you create a dedicated account inside a Stripe for your particular brand. Then navigate up to this plus icon and click on payment link. Then navigate over to product or subscriptions, navigate down and click on add new product. Add the product name, the product description, then upload your product image. Navigate down to pricing, choose if it's reoccurring or one-off. Now, if you sell a digital product, maybe a software, then you might want to choose reoccurring. Or maybe you sell a service on a reoccurring basis. For example, a marketing agency may run paid ads across platforms. Therefore, they manage client ads on a month-to-month basis. This means their service package, paid ads, will be a reoccurring subscription. So again, depending on the nature of the product, the software, or the service that you offer, choose the correct pricing. This is a physical product, so the pricing is one-off. Add the amount as well as the currency, and then we have more pricing options down here. Then click on next. Here you can add another price. For example, one-off, I'm going to add the price $39.99 and then the price description, non-waterproof headphones. This is just an example. Then come down and click on next, and you can see this product is the default product. Then come down and click on add product. This is what the product page, the payment page, will look like. If we navigate across, we can add an additional product or add recommended products. For example, if I click here, I'm going to quickly add a few more products. Okay, so as you can see, similar to the process I showed you for adding this product, I added 2 more products under recommended products. And the page will look something like this. The customer purchasing this product can also add these products to their order. Think of this as their cart. So down here, I suggest adding all your other products. And you can use the recommended section inside the Stripe payment page as a cart option. Then navigate down here, again add other products if you like, and then select the options you want to collect. Collect customers' names, collect customers' address, and I'm happy with that. We can also navigate down to advanced options. We can add a custom field, allow promotional codes, save payment details for future use, and we can change the call to action, book, donate, For us, this is a product. We want them to make a payment. Okay, so I'm happy with this payment page. We can also preview what this payment page looks like on mobile and desktop. Now, if we navigate over to after payment, what does the page look like when a payment has been made? We can show a confirmation page that looks like this, and we can replace the default message. If we click here, we can add that message in here. Now, this could be anything, like how long the product will take to deliver, any kind of delivery information. Maybe you have information or instructions on how they can access their product or how they can set up and use their product. If you're selling a digital product, then what you can do here is add a link. This could be a link to a Google Drive folder. For example, I sell Go Digital Now, which is an ebook. Now, once a customer makes a purchase, I redirect them to this Google folder where they can download this ebook. You might want to do the same here. Simply add the link and details about accessing that product. You can also select Don't Show Confirmation Page and redirect customers to your website. And you can also generate an invoice. And you can see the fees down here. Okay, so I'm happy with the default. Let's navigate up to Create Link. Then simply navigate over to Copy Link and copy this link. Now, if we navigate down here, you'll see the payment methods I've enabled. To enable your different payment methods, these are the methods that you want to allow your customers to pay with. Simply click on Manage and set up the different options, like card payment, Apple Pay, and link. And that's it. What we can do is jump back over to Google Sites. Then navigate down to this button and click on Edit and paste in the link that we just copied from Stripe and click on Update. Now let's go ahead and preview this page, this product page. If we navigate down, we have the products down here. This is a carousel effect, so you can see that the products will move naturally by themselves, or you can click these buttons here. Now, if I navigate down here as a customer, I can click Buy Now, and that's going to take them to this Stripe landing page. They can see the product here. They can choose their currency, USD, New Zealand. And as you can see, because I've got link, all my details are already added in here. I can go ahead and pay for this product. If I click on Pay Without Link, you'll see these payment and address options here. This is what most of your customers will see. Then if they want to add additional products to their cart, all they need to do is scroll across, choose the product, click on Add, and that's going to add their product to this payment page. Now, if I click on this drop down, that's going to give more details. If I remove this, remove, confirm, remove, and then if we click on View All, that's going to show the customer all the products that they can add. And again, once the customer has added their details and made the payment, you can manage all that information inside of Stripe. You can set up email notifications as well as automate email messages to your customers. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, let's jump back over to Google Sites. Hey, just quickly before we get back into this tutorial, if you're getting value from this video, please drop a like and subscribe. This means a lot to me and ultimately helps us reach and help more small business owners across YouTube. Thank you in advance, and with that quick note, let's jump back into this video. And close out of this preview, let's navigate up and jump over to Home, navigate down. And again, what we could do is add a button down here. Navigate over to Button, Buy Now, and add the Stripe link here and click on Insert. I'm going to move this button and place that under here. Then I'm going to change the style, outlined, change the size, centered, and I'm happy with that. Again, if the customer comes down here and clicks Buy Now, that again is going to take them to the payment page, the Stripe payment page. And there we have it. That is it for this Google Sites website tutorial showing you how you can convert your Google Sites website into an online store and e-commerce website so that you can list and sell your digital or physical products online. If you got value from this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.